what we found. The one that was like the hit, and then the ones that are probably like, but I think we have more hits than
Yeah.
Hey guys, Dina here with Journey for Profits. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll show you guys what I found at the Goodwill. Today, I think it was a
Good haul?
good haul today.
Good?
I think so.
Okay, cool.
So I'm going to show you guys what we found. The one that was like the hit, and then the ones that are probably like, but I think we have more hits than
Yeah.
So anyhow, if you guys are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and show me some love, because subscribing just motivates me to do more videos like this for you. And for those of you that already subscribed, thank you and welcome. And let's get to it. So I feel like we unbox every time when we come back from Goodwill. It's so exciting. Like I'm unboxing everything again.
Well, this was 3 locations, right? Mostly
yeah,
Goodwill.
3 locations: Goodwill, Care Share.
The same place we went to in the previous video.
Yeah,
right?
if you see the video before this one,
It's our
go back there again. Care Share. And Salvation Army.
And Savo and Quaker
So,
Town.
let's do, was this, it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to go for it. Okay, so this one here,
Untested.
untested,
Uncomped it.
Philips.
Can't find the comps on it, but it's Philips.
Yeah, Philips speakers. And we paid,
$6. It's on the main piece over there. On the main piece, man. On the base. It's a big base, so I don't really understand.
I don't know if you guys can see this, but
Probably not.
we paid, it says 9.
Oh, we paid $10.
$10 for this.
Oops.
Some kind of speaker system, right?
Yeah.
And they were comping, I don't know.
I couldn't comp them.
Oh,
I couldn't get the I didn't get the comp them yesterday,
Okay.
so that's my bad. But I might just keep them if they work.
Yeah, you probably want the vertical. But yeah, these are cool looking speakers.
Philips, good quality.
Philips, great quality. So yeah, that's that. We paid $10. I'm thinking we could probably, this can go for like what, 50?
I don't know. I hope. Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe. It
So
works.
that was at the Goodwill.
Mhm.
But this is the fancy, this is the fancy Goodwill that we went to.
This is the Goodwill that always gives us a nice pair of shoes at least once.
Yeah, and it smells so nice there, kind of too nice.
Yeah.
That I was starting to sneeze, but it's okay. It smells wonderful in there, and the floors look marble. It looks like a department store, right?
Probably was, yeah.
Everything is labeled. You can see in the video here above how it looks inside. It's like literally like. Do you guys have a Goodwill like that near you? Let me know, because I love that Goodwill. It's so nice. Everything's so organized there. Anyhow, so we found that, and this was at Salvation Army. It
Yeah.
was really nothing there.
Yeah, that was straws. We were
Yeah.
grasping for straws on that.
We found this Lamborghini.
Model car.
Yeah. model
Lamborghini
car.
1995
I think it was $5.
contact. Yeah.
Do you remember the comps on it?
15 plus shipping.
Yeah.
So not much. That's for the new
much,
store.
but- Yeah, new store. Oh, well, the speakers too. The speakers
For the new
for
store.
a new store.
Anything gadgety, any non-clothing shoe or non-shoes too.
Yeah, non-shoes.
Shoes go to the main store.
So this we found at the Fancy Schmancy Goodwill, and with the marble floors.
Can you come up with that
Yeah,
little?
I'm gonna put a video around.
Oh, okay, cool.
These are the cowboy boots, and they're by Zodiac. They're so soft. They're like a suede leather. Super nice.
I like that tip, that chrome,
Yeah. You
the
see
toe
little-
tips and the heel tips.
And look at the heel tips too. Super
They're
beautiful.
nice.
Great looking boots, women boots. So this is gonna go to our big eBay store in Posh.
So what do you think? How much did you pay for those?
Oh, we paid
This place is a little pricey. A little
It is.
pricey, right?
$12.99 for them.
$13.
But they
And
were comping. I remember the comps. It was good. We ran it. I think
They
it
had
was
some nice yellow ones that sold for like $75
$70,
or
yeah.
70.
So really good.
Not a lot, but yeah.
But good deal there.
Yeah, between Posh and eBay, I think you do okay with those.
And then we always
Yeah.
find
ACGs.
ACGs at
Of
the
some
Goodwill.
type.
Constantly. We
Yeah.
have a pair of gray ones right now. I have them on Posh.
Those are
Are
hiking
they?
shoes. These are boots.
Yeah,
But
these
they're
are
both
boots.
Nike ACGs.
Look how cool they are.
They're nice.
They have the little purple in the
Small
back.
size.
Yeah, they're women's.
Yeah, size 6, women's.
We paid $9.47.
They're just awesome.
But they are nice.
Got
They're
the purple in the back.
Yeah.
Heels are just great.
Great shape.
Is that what's the bottom? What's that orange thing in the bottom?
It says just Nike.
Nike. Wow.
And it's great shape. So these were comping well, Nike ACGs. If you guys come across this, these are good ones. Have you come across them? Comment below. We'd love to know what you sold them for. But I love them. We always can find these guys there.
I think you're north of 50 on those.
Yeah.
Maybe 55, 60 maybe.
Now, this thing was hiding in the middle of the shelves. I'm like, what the heck is that?
Yeah, you
Me
did a
being
good job
nosy.
with that.
And I pulled it out, and it's one of those sink pump things for your soap, for your kitchen sink.
That is awesome.
So I paid $1.99 for them, and they were comping what?
It's Pfister price, right? Yep. On the black.
Yeah, right
Yeah. So that was $46, 40 something. How much did we pay for that?
there. $1.99.
Yeah. So
This
that's
was a
awesome.
good one. This was a good
Like
hit.
you can't beat that.
No.
That's good.
So this is gonna go to our second eBay store, Rami Shack. That's where that's going.
It's for a kitchen sink. You said that, right?
Yeah, kitchen sink.
Soap dispenser for a kitchen sink.
And then this bad boy here.
Is that the
the Lennox?
but is that the
What?
that's the best thing we did today?
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Cool.
So this is our hit thing. Our hit item. I keep calling it hit. I don't know why. It's just how my language goes. So this
It's a
is
hit.
Lennox
It's-
Butcher's Pantry cookie jar. And
But
it
it's
was-
Lennox,
Yeah.
which is very
Lennox.
good. And we know nothing of
And
ceramics.
it was sitting there all by its lonesome, and I just love the stainless steel top and how this looked, and I just pulled it out. So I'm like, oh,
Again,
maybe
you went
I
by
can have this for me.
You went by the quality,
Yeah,
right? By the look of it.
I just went by the look of it because I love this style, and I'm like, oh, let me see for me. And then I'm like, I started comping it. I'm like, wait a minute, this is Lennox, and they were comping 100.
They were up there, right?
The most I seen on there was like $200 sold. So
Wow, that's crazy.
and we paid $7 for it.
What is it? It's a cookie jar?
Yeah, it's like a little cookie jar, but
Cool.
they call it the butler's pantry because I guess of the slants.
Because it slants?
So it kind
Yeah.
of
So you can
looks
reach
like
for like
that.
sugar packets
Yeah.
or something like that? Right, got it.
Super excited about this
Wow.
find, and
You paid how much?
$6.99.
$6.99.
So this is a good hit
Cool.
right here.
All right.
So
What else
that
we
was
have?
that. And now
Oh.
this pillow. I saw this pillow and I thought it was super cute. It has like embroidered.
Oh, those are raccoons. I thought they were
Raccoons?
cats.
No, the little half moon and all the raccoons here. And this is by, so I was trying to find out where the name, like who made this. And
But why would you pick up a pillow?
I don't know, it just drew.
I'm just
like,
trying to figure out what you're thinking
They
of.
were
Like, I would
just-
have, as a matter of fact, I didn't see those at all.
it was,
Except when they were in your cart.
It was actually in the wrong aisle. It wasn't in the pillow aisle. It was just by itself. So it just grabbed me and I saw the little raccoon eyes and I said, oh my god, this is so cute.
So,
So I turned it around to see what the heck, who makes this.
okay, and who makes it?
Because the quality, the fabric is nice fabric.
Looks
and I'm
tough.
like, okay. So
Looks
then
strong.
it's by the Land of Nod.
The hell's
So
that?
I Googled it. I didn't Google it, but I comped it. And this same exact pillow sold for $60.
Boom, new
The
used.
same exact used.
That's used.
Yeah.
Wow.
The same exact. But this looks new, like it was a.
Man, you know what it's gonna be? We're gonna have to jerry rig the hell out of some bags to
I don't
ship
know
that.
how I'm gonna ship this.
Yeah.
But if you guys can please comment below, let me know how you would begin to ship this.
Yeah.
It would be great because you guys will be helping me out because I have no
Ah.
idea. But anyway, we paid $6.99 for it. But there's no stains, nothing. It's like new. It's
Cool.
like new.
So 60 for 7, maybe 40. We'll be happy with that, right?
Yeah,
Whatever.
absolutely.
Cool.
Super cute. Okay, and the last item, so then I was in a pillow mode. And I found this cute pillow.
That was
This-
nice. That one's, I could see why. It's button too.
It's buttoned. It doesn't have a name. It has a nice cute little buttons here, and it's all embroidered, like so pretty.
That's beautiful.
Very embroidered, and the little tassels here on the side. Paid $7 for it. It has no name, so I'm gonna take a chance on it, just because of the fabric alone, how it looks and how it feels.
Now they're heavy, right? They're dense.
Yeah, this is pretty.
Over a pound?
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
But I'm gonna do plus shipping on it, and it looks new.
Can you put that in a flat rate envelope? Padded flat rate.
One of the padded.
If it fits, it ships.
But I think this is a great pillow. Look how cute it is.
That
and
is nice.
It's all like, dang, I love it.
What else
anyway,
you got?
So that was that. And I think I could get, I don't know, I didn't run comps on it, but I'm going to try to go with probably $50 on it.
You think so?
Maybe.
Cool.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Not sure yet.
You can always start there. You want to start high, you don't want to go up.
Yeah, we'll see.
It's easier though because we're plus shipping everything.
Right.
Oh wait, right in front of you. What is that black thing?
The printer.
Yeah.
Totally forgot about that.
Again,
So,
untested.
untested yet.
I gotta
Got
test
this
it.
yesterday. And it's an HP printer for $5 we paid,
Yep.
right?
Yeah, I'm trying to see the model. I don't think I can see it from here. Right.
So $5
$5
for HP.
with the power cord. I mean, if it works,
Printer.
great. I forgot what we comped these at. I think they were up there, right?
Yeah, they were there. I forget. I think they were like 100.
No, that was the other one that we didn't
White
take
one.
because it was missing the power cord.
So this
Um,
one was, I think, probably half of that.
Yeah, $50.
$50 or so, but for $5,
Yeah,
we'll beat that.
I
We're
mean,
gonna do plus shipping.
I'll be
This-
happy with 30 plus shipping for $5.
Yeah.
Our goal is to clear at least 20 minimum,
Right.
right?
So super cool, excited. So
The scissors, the leather
oh,
cutting
check
scissors
this out. It says $18.99, but it was half off
on the blue tags
Yeah,
at that place.
at the Karen Share.
Yep,
So this is like a cool scissor.
it's badass.
And I didn't know this. He was looking into this. I had no idea what it was.
I
I'm like,
shredded a shirt. that
And we
had.
just, we threw it out.
Yeah,
But this cuts like butter.
right through the collar,
Right through the
which is the
collar,
thickest part of like a
perfect.
man's shirt, and
Yeah.
the wrist.
So anyway,
It cuts leather, and it's for leather cutting and shoes. For $10,
yeah.
I think the comps are like 40 plus or 30.
40 plus.
30 plus shipping.
Yeah, well, not so
It's
bad.
not a lie. It's not the best thing on the
No.
list. I pondered whether I was going to bring it or not, but
Yeah.
you know, and I tested it. Works, so we're good.
And that's about it. So not a huge haul, but again, we're being picky with our items, so.
Yeah.
Right?
Agreed.
And we're testing it out too. Some of these that don't have name brands, we're gonna test it out, all that stuff. But yeah. So yeah, $87 for all this,
80s.
and I think with the jar, the Lennox cookie jar,
Yeah, I mean,
the boots,
yeah, the Nikes.
and the Nike boots,
Yeah, and yeah, I
And
think we're good.
I think we already made our money.
Oh, we're past. Yeah, we're
for
profitable.
more, and
I
we're
mean,
profitable. So I really love this pillow.
I know you do.
Anyhow,
I think you secretly got it for yourself. Oh.
so that's the problem. You go thrifting, you find little things that you want. But anyhow, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. When you guys subscribe, it just motivates me to do more of these videos for you guys. So.